Hi guys, Namaste Tasdile and Salam Alaikum. I'm in abroad and abroad is not very easy for us. We are here very far from our home country, only and only to fulfill our dream. So yes, fortunately today I got my weekend, so I came here in Marina Beach. I'll try to show you all. And here, so this is the very famous one which is called Dubai Eye, as you all know, right? So I hope you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned and be in touch with my video. This is Dubai Marina Beach. For me, it's abroad. Working in abroad, it's not very easy. But the final day, the weekend, we can have enjoy here. See? This is Marina Beach, where lots of tourists from different countries, they come here and they're enjoying here. Hopefully you will also enjoy watching this video, and if you like, you can also visit. It's a very fantastic place. Unfortunately, I didn't upload my videos in YouTube 2 weeks ago. I'm sorry for that, because it was very tight schedule for me. Continuously for 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, it's approximately 3 weeks. I didn't get my weekend. Hopefully you will enjoy this video, and I will gonna upload tonight. So guys, how was the video? Please comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit like also. As you all know, I'm working here in abroad, right? And it's very hard to get different contents and making videos. It's very struggle things. It's very hard. If you like and subscribe, I will very appreciate. And I don't have much to say for this video. Yes, I will very appreciate if you like, subscribe it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I don't have lots of words to say, so catch up next video.